Bili po. Ula.
Good afternoon, Mama. Good afternoon, Tata. Good afternoon, Ate Kim. Good afternoon, Ate Chucky. Good afternoon, Lolo. Good afternoon, Lola. Good afternoon, Star.
Good afternoon, Tata. Good afternoon, Kuya Chayo. Good afternoon, Ate Jeremy. Dito ka.
The Jeremy.
Opo, yung papa ni Kuya Chayo. Today is Friday. And last day of exam. Anong exam ngayon? Anong subject?
Akin mathematics sa akin.
Opo, mathematics. And si Kalaya po ay makulit.
Hey!
Ayun ba?
Smart ako na sabi ni... Hey, sino nasabi ni Tata?
Si Tata, yeah.
Hindi na message.
Very good ka daw, pongers. Pongers?
Hindi na. Na parang sa akin.
Yes, yung sa, yung sa...
At may same purple.
Yes.
I see a fly. It's a...
Fly the butterfly.
Dima!
Yung ano?
Fly. Langaw. Alangaw. It's gonna sting my skin. It's gonna sting my skin.
Sabi niya, mabango naman to si Kalaya. Sasama ako sa school.
Ayaka.
Nye.
Nag-follow siya sa akin. Apa, nag-asin siya sa akin. Nalove siya sa akin.
Sabi niya, I love Kalaya. I'm gonna go with her.
Are you a villain?
Yes.
You are a naughty villain. I'm a super very hero.
I'm the villain.
Be the very super villain.
I'm the very, very bad villain.
Stop following me, Langaw. Stop following me, Langaw.
Sabi niya, nag-study din daw siya. I wanna go with you. I wanna take something. I wanna take exam too.
No exams today for you. No animals go into school.
But why is the color?
No,
Um,
no. Not your cat. Not your cat.
not your cat.
Hindi sa'yo. Ang cat ko.
How about si Berta?
It says dog.
How about Billy Bong?
Billy, cat siya. But he's a boy.
Nge.
Pag wala cat emoji, girl. Ang
Si